borrow, lend. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the two verbs, borrow and lend. Borrow. This is a verb. It means to take or to receive something from someone with the intention of giving it back. For example, we can use the verb borrow in a question. May I borrow a pen, please? Or you can use the verb borrow in a statement. She borrowed a book from the library. Lend. Lend is also a verb. It means to give something to someone with the intention of getting it back. For example, he won't lend me his pen. Emily lent Sam £15. You can see this time the verb changes to lent. This is because it is in the past tense. Here we can see the yellow man has lent the book to the blue man, and the blue man has borrowed the book from the yellow man.